Okay, this is the almond seed. I just growing up in fridge, so I saw some video in YouTube. This is the almond seed. This is normal almond seed. I just get it from some store. So this is the almond seed, and you can see the generation of roots, and this is very beautiful. Just put one cloth, yeah, something like tissue paper, yeah, newspaper, and little bit water, and cover it up in 15 days. I just cover it up in 15 days. I just seen this thing. In between I check this thing, that paper should be moist and little bit wet. So this is the almond seed. Today I just put it in some soil, because after 15 days you need to put it in soil. So I just put it in soil. I think so. It's a growing up. This is my new experience. I mean, let's see it is work or not. I hope so.